Time is one of the most mysterious and fundamental aspects of human experience. When we are children, summers seem endless. Waiting for birthdays feels like an eternity, and the days stretch on with boundless potential. Yet as we grow older, years seem to fly by in a blink, and major life events come and go at an unsettling pace. Why does time appear to speed up as we age? Neuroscientists, psychologists, and philosophers have long studied this phenomenon, and while no single theory fully explains it, several scientific and psychological factors contribute to this accelerating perception of time. One of the most widely accepted explanations for why time seems to speed up as we get older is known as the proportional theory. First proposed by French philosopher Paul Janet in the late 19th century, the idea is simple. Each year we live represents a smaller proportion of our total life experience. To a 5-year-old, 1 year is 20% of their entire life. That's a massive chunk of their existence, making time feel long. To a 50-year-old, however, 1 year is only 2% of their life. In comparison, it feels much shorter. This proportional shrinkage means that as we accumulate more life experiences, individual moments and years feel less significant, contributing to the sense that time is moving faster. Another key factor in time perception is novelty. When we experience something new, our brains devote more resources to encoding and processing it. As children, nearly everything is new. First words, first bike rides, first days of school. These unique moments create dense, detailed memories, making time feel slow and expansive. But as adults, most of our daily routines become repetitive. We commute the same way to work, see the same people, and engage in familiar activities. Our brains compress these repetitive experiences into a smaller space in memory, making months and even years feel shorter. Remember the first time you drove a car? The intensity and novelty of that moment made it feel long and vivid. Now think about your last drive to work. It probably felt like a blur. Repetition compresses time. The holiday paradox explains why vacations or travel experiences seem long in hindsight. During travel, we encounter new places, foods, and cultures, leading to richer memory formation. This abundance of new experiences makes time feel stretched out when we look back, while monotonous daily life feels compressed. As we age, our brain's ability to process information slows down. Neural pathways degrade, and cognitive function naturally declines. This means that fewer new memories are formed. Our brains take less time to process familiar information. Time feels like it's moving faster because we're not encoding as many details. Younger brains process stimuli more vividly, making each moment feel richer and more detailed. Older brains rely on pre-existing knowledge and shortcuts, leading to less perceived time. Neurotransmitters like dopamine play a role in attention, memory, and time perception. Studies suggest that dopamine levels decline with age, making new experiences feel less intense and contributing to the sensation that time is passing quickly. Psychologists often point to habitual behavior as a major factor in time perception. When we do the same tasks repeatedly, wake up, work, sleep, repeat, our brains enter autopilot mode, leading to time compression. This is why a year full of routine work feels short. A year with big life changes, like a new job, moving, or relationships, feels longer. Stress and anxiety can also alter our perception of time. When we are constantly busy or preoccupied with deadlines, our brains don't fully register experiences, making time feel like it's slipping away. This is why many adults feel like the past decade disappeared in an instant. Seek new experiences, engage in new activities, travel, learn a new skill, keep novelty alive. The more unique moments you create, the longer time will feel. Practice mindfulness. Being fully present in the moment helps anchor your perception of time. Try meditation, deep breathing, and conscious awareness of daily experiences. Break the routine. Avoid falling into repetitive cycles. Change your daily habits, explore new hobbies, or challenge yourself to think in new ways. Reflect and journal. Writing about daily events forces your brain to process time more deeply, making it feel more substantial. Savor the moment. Instead of rushing through life, take time to appreciate the present. Consciously enjoy meals, conversations, and nature to make time feel richer. Time is relative. Not just in the way Einstein described it, but in the way we experience it as humans. The perception of time speeding up is a psychological and neurological reality, but we are not powerless against it. By understanding the mechanisms behind time perception and actively engaging in life with novelty and awareness, we can slow down our experience of time and make each moment feel more meaningful. In the end, time isn't just something that passes, it's something we create through our experiences.